This tutorial will cover how to create snapping points using a point correction network. We have a very simple network that tests for the closest point among a list of points. So if we drag this point around, it'll find the closest point and create a green sphere there. Unfortunately, you cannot grab the green sphere because the test point is actually over here. To correct this, we're going to rearrange our network and create a snapping network using a point correction node. First, we'll need a vector list receiver. And we'll take our points into the initial state of the vector list receiver. And instead of the closest point going into the polysphere, we're actually going to have our drag points go into the polysphere. The vector list will go from the vector list receiver, will go into the source points of the closest points to points. And the closest points to points will go into the corrected positions of the drag points. This network is inactive. We need to tag it and tag the drag points and tell it to use this tagged network. This is essentially a small loop that is tested during user interaction with the drag points. Now, if you drag the point around, it'll find the closest point on the circle, but also snap that point to that location, telling the vector that that is its new point location.